Update on Honorable Chief Minister is absolutely stable. I just spent some time with him and I've come out. I was just there because I felt I should just be there as a moral support, and most importantly, Sri Manohar Parrikar's parameters are holding much better, and all his parameters are absolutely stable. Actually, he wants to go home today, and we have told him to stay back for another day, just for taking ample precaution, maybe a day and a half. It is no hurry, because from here he has to go home only. So all his parameters are absolutely normal, and I would like to make it very categorical. Doctors who have been treating Honorable Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar in AIIMS have been called to come and check that everything is in order. Yesterday also certain medications were changed. Nobody is privy to what is happening. Hence, I would like to appeal to the people of Goa and make a mention. As a health minister, I have already told CMO that I shall be giving the official update of the health of the Chief Minister. Health of the Chief Minister is absolutely stable. Just now he spoke to me. When I came, I spoke to him, and he said, you go, do your work, and then evening if you want to drop it.
So how many days more doctors from AIIMS will stay in Goa?
Nobody is staying here. Yesterday doctors come and check, and given a specific course of medication will be leaving today. And another doctor who was dealing with him on another issue will also come and just check, because we want to see that every aspect is looked at.
One more doctor is coming from AIIMS?
Not sure. I have just said that another doctor who was dealing with him, maybe his opinion may be asked. But as far as Goa Medical College is concerned, the full facility is at the disposal of Honorable Chief Minister, and his parameters, blood pressure, heartbeat, pulse, everything is absolutely normal. Nothing to worry about. And one more thing, I think you asked me the question, so I deviated. There are a lot of things coming out of the media, which I have been negating it, because saying that because you are not privy to anything. I am the only one who knows what is happening inside. And there is nothing that has been done. There is no question of any kind of bleed or anything. There is no subject. We are not discussing that. Only thing, whatever he was having the discomfort, that has been addressed, and he is in perfect shape now. And he actually wants to go home today. So we have said just hang on for another day, and then you decide what to do.
Bleeding and all has been stopped.
There is no bleed or anything, but on certain social media platforms and certain Twitter handles, it is continuously saying as though they have got an essay writing competition. That is not right. Honorable Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has contributed a lot to the state of Goa, and I think we allow him that much little privacy. I promised you that I will give you an update. Every time I come, I will give you an update. He is fine. His pressure, all his parameters are holding on, and there is nothing to worry. If there was anything to worry, I would have mentioned it.
So he will be discharged by tomorrow?
He wants to go today.
But he will be discharged by tomorrow?
I said he wants to go today, so you can understand. What we have said is to stay for another day, and then we will take a check, so that all his parameters should remain, which are already holding on perfectly well. But it's always better. Suppose my father was in hospital.
But what doctor
I am asking, giving you an example. If my father was in hospital and he had some issue, okay, it was related to something, some urine infection. Dr. Bandekar is witness. We kept him for 2 days. 1 day extra, though he wanted to go earlier. So same way, just like what I would do for my father, the family and all, we have decided to keep him here for another extra day. That's it.
Sir, what doctor advised to
Nothing.
him tomorrow?
Doctor has said you can take him home today evening also we feel, but we feel that he should go tomorrow.
Okay.
Maybe day and a half. There is no harm. Goa Medical College is just 5 minutes from his residence. He is being kept here only for observation, because the whole backup is here, and there is nothing to worry. And my appeal to all the social media platforms that you have no access to information, so kindly take my version as the official update, and that will be retweeted by the CMO.
Thank you.